then I worked in other organizations where they didn't want you to be that great at the technical aspect because of the fact of that's why they surrounded you with subject matter expert and very technical savvy people, that this is what they do day in and day out. For you, you're leading a project and your job is to execute on the thing that they figured out that they wanted to do collectively. So again, build you a network of people that you can connect with that can help you. Point number 7, develop communication and collaboration skills. You already knew this was coming. This is why we have that in the book, The Magnetic Project Manager. We talk about the importance of communication, presentation, having the ability to articulate yourself in a way that is well received, or you know what I like to say here, knowing your audience. The ability to know your audience and who you're dealing with. You may want to temper down certain ways of how you would say things. And so I say all that to say, fostering a strong communication and collaboration within your team is going to allow you to have a better success at leading projects as an IT project manager. Let's move on to point number 8.